What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I had to run and sandblast my parts super quick because my buddy, he's getting ready for a long work week and he's like, yo, can you come sandblast them real quick? So unfortunately I didn't get any footage of me sandblasting these, but they're looking mint. I'll show you real quick. These things blasted super good and super fast. Looking good. Just gotta throw them in some acetone and then throw them in my little easy bake oven right there at 400 degrees for at least like 20 minutes so that way I can bake all the oils off. Then we're gonna shoot some tungsten Cerakote on it. But the valve cover right here, that thing took a while because I don't know if you can see right there, there's some black coating right there that I gotta kind of get off with some Scotch-Brite. But it was a pain in the butt a little bit because we were using glass, and I'm still stoked on how this thing turned out. Anyways, those are the updates for the bike as of right now. Tungsten Cerakote should be here either Monday or Tuesday because I ordered it on like Wednesday or Thursday last week, I think. So I'm pumped. I'll show you guys the whole process of me, dunking them in acetone for a while and then go ahead and baking them in the easy bake oven for, 30 to 45 minutes on 400 degrees. So that way there's no oils, everything's prepped properly, and I can go ahead and squirt some Cerakote on it. Now, this is the real debate today. This is what the video is really about. I want to know how you guys run your guys' foot peg pins, because I saw on Instagram, I think it was like 2 weeks ago or so, that I don't remember who posted it. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. They posted about the foot pegs and, how Pro Circuit runs them up, and people saying it's not safe. Oh, they wouldn't run it that way. I just kind of want to get to know what you guys think. Would you guys feel safe running them up, or would you guys feel safer running them down, and why? What are the pros and cons? Because right now I am running them going up. Now, the reasons why I chose to run them going up was, one, it is easier for me to take them apart, especially when I'm doing like race preps on the bike, because I pull full motor out. I pull everything apart so that way I can re-grease everything, check the bearings. I want to make sure everything's always checked and greased and everything needs to be how it needs to be so that way it's running properly at all times. So that was probably my main reason with running them like that. Now, these are Race Tech titanium, full titanium foot pegs. So the pins are titanium, the washers, the foot pegs, and the mounts and the bolts. I really feel comfortable running them like this because the tolerances on this pin and the foot peg mount are super tight. Like you can see, I don't see that coming off, regardless if the cotter pin breaks or not. It could. There's still a possibility. I'm not saying that it won't or it will, but that's how I feel about it. I really love how easy it is. Obviously, on the left side, you just have the shifter. Super easy. You can run this one, down and still be able to take the foot pegs off and everything. But over here on the right side, you have the brake in the way. So when you're trying to pull things out, you got to take the brake off, or the brake pedal off, so that way you can access the pin. For me, being a mechanic and working on the bike myself, it's more of a pain in the that I really want to deal with. But like I'm saying, look, these are such tight tolerances on these that I feel super comfortable with it. All right, I'm sweating a lot. It is super hot in my garage. Vegas is on a super heat wave so early, which I am kind of thankful for because I like the heat more than cold, because my hands, I don't know if you can see, the cold, they just get all cracked and raggedy and it hurts. But back to what I was saying, how do you guys feel running your foot peg pins up? I don't know what the stock stuff, I know it's a lot looser and everything, so I don't think I'd feel safe running those facing up. But since these are obviously titanium and completely different, they have a super tight tolerance, and I don't think that they're going to come apart, in all honesty. But like I said, you never know. Only time will tell when you're riding them. But like I said, I like to check the cotter pins before I ride every time. If I have to, I'll change them. But that's where we're at with that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I really, really want to hear what you guys think about it, and let's start a debate. See if we can get some traction on it. All right, quick little update. One, yes, I know I need a motor stand. I really, really need to buy it, but I've been kind of slacking on that. We got the old clutch out still. I still have yet to take the basket off. Kind of been lazy. Got a titanium bolt right there for that. Looking sick. Got all the titanium nuts and bolts on this side. Pro circuit shifter. Valve cover still off, like you saw. Got all this. We're gonna go away with that. We're gonna be running a pro circuit water pump and everything. Got the titanium bolts. They're in the mail. Need to get new seat or new clip and some oil rings. But we're making steady progress. Don't make fun of me of my motor on my little workbench like this. I don't even have wood because I'm broke. I'm poor. Anyways, I still need to send these out. Been kind of slacking. I might buy new radiators because this one's kind of a little crushed. Not sure yet. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know about the foot peg pins down in the comments below. I really, really would appreciate it. We'll be back next week with another banger. Let's go. Catch you next week.